Hi everyone, so today is Monday I think, and our flight is on Friday. So because we're preparing for the flight, I need to get my nails done. Let me show you. These are my nails. I'm sorry, it doesn't focus. I don't know why. For what I remember, it's been more than a month with these nails. And yeah, I think it's time to change them up. I want to do something very winter and something brown but gold. I don't know, something fun. So yeah, let's go get my nails done. Okay, so I just got to my nail appointment. And as you can see, she's not here. She told me to wait a few minutes. She just needs to take a little break, like a pee break. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a few minutes. Guys, it's been like 10, maybe 15 minutes already. I don't know what to do. Should I like text her or should I just leave? I don't know. I really need to get my nails done. My flight is in a few days, so I have no idea what to do. Oh wait, she's coming. Guys, I'm kidding. I am my own nail tech. I'm still in my house and this is my desk. Like, imagine it happens to so many girls and so many people. Like, I'm sure there are so many stories. So yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse because I want to make some TikToks. So yeah, let's start the time lapse. Good morning guys, it's the next day, it's next morning. My nails are done. They're so beautiful. I don't think I vlogged me doing the nail art, but I made a video on TikTok about it, so go watch it if you want to. It's 8:30 a.m. right now and I need to start preparing for the flights ASAP. I'm gonna start with packing my luggage. So I'm gonna start with thinking about what I want to wear. I know kind of what I want to wear, but I need to think realistically. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you. I woke up today at 6 a.m. because I drive my mom to the train so she would get to work. And I wanted to go to sleep at 1 a.m. and I couldn't go to sleep because I was like, wait, let me check if my passport is where I left it. And I was like, maybe I shouldn't check it right now because I might not fall asleep because of it. And guess what? The passport wasn't where I thought I left it. I didn't sleep at all the whole night. I just searched my passport and yeah, I found it this morning. But yeah, let's start with packing. So I'm gonna start with clothes and then we will do for the camera stuff and we'll pack my makeup and everything. So let's start with the clothes. So I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I looked in Pinterest, of course. I searched for inspiration for outfits. This shirt, it has big sleeves and it's cropped, and then I will add just a white shirt. It's gonna pick out another sweatshirt. So that's it, that's all I have, everything that I thought of. This is gonna be my airport set. It's gonna be really comfortable, so you will see it in the vlog. I got these black jeans. They have no rips in them, so let's take some warm stockings. I got a few colors. Wait, I had another one. I got a grayish one and some black ones, and I used to have like a skin tone one and I don't know where is it. So I got this jacket which I just bought from a second hand, like a butter yellow, and it has some gray in it. It's from Wilson, I don't know, this is where it's from. My friend told me it's a tennis brand. This is what we have so far. I forgot about this jacket. I'm thinking about bringing it because it will look so good. So we got two jackets. This one is more for wind and this one is warmer. Sweatshirts, scarf, two pair of jeans, a blue one and a black one. Both of them don't have any rips or holes, so that's great. This bodysuit, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it. Two warm shirts, one black and one white. The next thing that we're gonna do is pack for the camera stuff. We need to bring this thing. It's a battery pack, so that's good. I will bring this light and we get a charger. I should be charging the AirPods. You can go on a flight without any headphones, and my ears are really sensitive, so headphones that are actually going into the ear and loud music really helps with the pain. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it helps me. So yeah, I need to pack the makeup stuff. I usually take a lot of makeup. I want to go more natural on this trip. I want to do more natural makeup, even though I will probably do a big wing liner. I got this bag which is kind of big. It's big. Or maybe I should bring, which one should I use? I got this one. This is gonna be my makeup and this is gonna be toiletries. This is the state we're in. The makeup bag, camera bag. So I'm getting kind of hungry, so I think I'm gonna go eat something real quick and then we'll continue. So my brother is sleeping over there, so I'm gonna whisper. And oh my god, I love my nails. Can we talk about them? They're so beautiful. I love them. I think it's the best that I ever did. I'm sorry about the noise, but I decided to make some boiled eggs. So I'm boiling in some water. What happened there? Oh no, I think the egg exploded. Please tell me I'm not the only one who hates the yellow parts. I only like the white part. When I eat the yellow parts, it feels like I'm eating sand. And I hate it. I hate the texture. Please tell me I'm not the only one. And I'm not crazy. We're back. And I'm in the bathroom right now. Let's pack the hair care. What we will need. I'm searching for a clear bottle. And I can't find it. 1 second. I found this. This one is a shampoo and this one is the shower gel. I'm thinking maybe I should put some conditioner in these. Why not? Okay, I think 3 is enough. We get conditioners. So I'm editing the videos for TikTok and Reels, and yeah, I'm downloading a lot of photos and videos to this little guy, so I will have a lot of space on my phone so I can film and give you some more footage. The suitcase is here, so I'm gonna pack right now. I'm gonna do a time lapse, so we'll do it quickly because my dad is downstairs waiting for me to pack. Well, it's kind of perfect, but the only thing that didn't fit in is the makeup and the toiletries. It's gonna be in a different suitcase. Guys, I just had dinner. I ate rice with corn because I've been craving it for a few days. We got all of our suitcase. In that red one, there is another small one. So we got a lot of space for shopping, which is great. Good morning. It's gonna be a great trip.